Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is KK and today we are out in Santa Monica. We're going on a boat ride with some of Paul's friends. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today, and then after that we might go to one party later, like a dance, like a Jamaican party, dancehall music party, yeah, if we have the time. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're just cooling, right now we're just chilling out, waiting on everybody else to come so that we can go on the boat, but for now we're just chilling out here. So I'll see you guys later when I have something else to vlog about. So we're heading to the boat, guys. Tracy, what are you wearing today?
I am wearing this Jamaican swimsuit from Forever 21, the shorts from You Don't Need to Know Where, the sandals from
Bridget's pun.
Makeup by KK, and
yeah, so my swimmer is from Forever 21 as well. My shorts, I don't remember where they're from. My slippers are from, I went over there yesterday, I don't remember, one place. I don't know. Are cute? Yes.
I think no.
Yes, I have a jacket. I brought my jacket.
It's cold out there.
It's cold, you hear? But Polly tells us if I bring jacket too. But because she hot, I want a picture with no jacket. She just said she gonna bear the cold. So that I got him to she.
It takes that of myself.
What you get it on? Pick. So yeah. They say it's a bit cold out there, so thank God me bring my sweater. So we're basically waiting on everybody else to come on the boat, cause and Paul went to get water. So we have to wait on Paul again.
Yeah, so this is the newest boat in the boat club.
So that's what we're doing. This man a kayak, just use them surfboard. It was much more sunnier like an hour ago, and now it's getting a bit chilly. We're still going out soon, and I did bring my sweater, and she willing to freeze, so I guess we okay. But okay, nice. One boat like that we should have. You can go by the top and you can go to the front. Something. My ear talk to her, what's up on our phone?
I'm actually always in my phone. I don't know if you guys realize that. I'm always in my phone like this.
My ear talk to her when she's in her phone.
I'm always in my phone.
How? Because she just zone out. Like completely. She can't multitask when she's in her phone. No, not at all. The picture?
CPT.
So yeah, I guess we're soon ready to leave. I'll see you guys whenever we are leaving out. I think that time to come off yesterday.
Secure the way, Tracy. Secure the way.
We survived! Oh, that's good. I'm completely wet. Like, wet. Let's get this fucking crazy nigga. Exactly.
You guys get any good pics with the
Please tell me you're not filming me. I am.
And what's supposed to know like
Oh, it's okay. I curse a lot.
no, nobody curses like me. I'm a ferret. Oh my gosh! Look, we're at the
Oh, my phone's down.
Oh my.
You are.
I have done that before though.
Hmm?
I have done that before.
2 years?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't like things like that.
I had premature babies that were born.
No money, no pussy. Yeah, I heard that. I'm just kidding. I'm not like that. Like I want to be in love.
That's a college graduate prostitute.
I'm joking. I like to say that because it sounds good.
Yeah, I did. And I
Sounds good, right?
And it could be partially true, but
It's not because I like some broke ass niggas who's fine as fuck.
yeah, exactly. I'll take a freebie.
Leon.
The speaker's out.
Here it is. There we go.
Is that the $1 million song? It's like they're singing about me. You know, it's not. I'm making fun of you and shit, but you get so much credit for jumping
He jumped in.
Getting out as fast as I can.
Wasn't it cold?
No, it was refreshing. Because I've been drinking. 50 next year.
What you guys will realize too when you get there is I was like, oh, we took 32. I'm gonna be so fucking fun. I'm gonna be like, have my shit together. I'm like 32. And I got 32 and I was like, oh, this shit is fun. And then I was like, no, it's 40. And then I got 40 and I was like, yes, I'm stepping into this shit. I got my business
So,
together.
when you're able to have that money and sustain
got
that
my
money,
money.
that's what's sexy.
Got my baby.
Yep.
I'm like, good.
Yep.
And then I was like, nah, it's 50. But the problem is that my mother, she's 70.
I don't know,
and
somewhere
she's
back
like,
there, I think.
oh, I was so beautiful when I was 60.
Are they up here?
So I'm like, damn. And we keep getting older, you know.
Yep.
That's the part. So you gotta find a way to still enjoy and appreciate your youth.
How long you been over
because
here?
you are young until
How
you're
long?
dead.
I'm just here for a holiday.
Oh,
So I'm just here for a month. Yeah.
You live in Jamaica?
So
Yes.
do you live here or you
I
live
traveled all around the world, everywhere. Like, most of
Right, I know.
I was a big roster for years.
last year,
And
man.
a lot of my friends were like,
From what
"You've been
part of
all around the
Jamaica?
world." And I was like, I've never been to Hawaii, and I've never been to Jamaica.
Really, you need to come to Jamaica
I've
though.
been to like crazy little places. Islands and stuff like that.
You need to come to
I
Jamaica.
know.
You need. It's a need, not a want. It's a
I think the only reason why I haven't gone there because like
That's when
if
I
I
was
go there,
there.
I think I'm
My
going
family.
What?
I say if I go there, I think I'm
Oh,
going to go nowhere
So
else.
my father.
Well, that's true. Because you're going to always want to vacate there. But
my
you
mother's
definitely
side,
need to go to
I
Jamaica.
tell people all the time. My whole life, I've lived in Los Angeles, New York, and San Francisco. And I was like, those are the most expensive places in the world.
Yeah, it
I
is.
was like, if I can get those places, I can get any place in the world. Until like,
Look at him. Head to toe. Just the eye there, you can't see.
I'm balling.
About she go freeze that booty off. She heat the booty up. We are out in Santa Monica, right? You're gonna sleep, you're ready to go sleep, so. So we are back from all of that hectic boat ride. Tracy got seasick a bit, so I was babying her for a while. Feel better now, Trey? Tap on her phone as per usual, but we're waiting to get inside back. Yeah, but it was fun. Oh. Who's the cutie? Guinness. Say hi. Guinness. Hey, Guinness. Hi. You're such a cute puppy. Who's the cute doggy? Huh?
Yeah.
Hey. Hi.
Your food?
Hi.
You're gonna eat in the bathroom? What do you want?
My food I left on the counter on the left.
There you go. Are you in here? Where you at?
Hey. Who is the cute doggy? Guinness. We left you, didn't we?
Eat some rice.
Lights are red and there's sweat on your